beginner kids, big head kids, here's your assignment that you're supposed to do. Real quick, let me do a quick video for you. And you're gonna have some music to, no, we're just gonna do what we did last week because some of y'all still ain't practicing, and what we did today. All right, so what we did today.
1, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
If you've been to church, all right, this is what you have. All right, 1 and up. Again. 1 and up. Here we go. 1 and up, 2 and up. Over and over. I need a total of 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 30 of those, all right? It's in triplet form. Also, remember to go over your 5 strokes. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4. Last time, I'm not lying. 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4. Homework, 30 of those, and then what we just did just now, the 5 stroke. Post your homework in this group so everybody can see it, that you did or that you didn't do it. Peace.